Good morning, my loves. Welcome to my channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. That doesn't know who I am. And please, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and share this video with your friends and your family. And if you're my day one, you guys know what it is, what it do. Welcome back, my loves. So and thank you for watching, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. It really means a lot. Like, I really appreciate all the love and the support that you guys have been showing me. Excuse me. So it's like 10 to 6 in the morning, and today is the 20th of November. Yeah, 20th of November. And I just thought I should start this vlog. This is gonna be a vlog throughout December, I believe, until the 23rd of December, maybe. I'm not sure. And I'll just keep you guys posted in what I do. And this is actually to prepare for a lot of things. One, I am moving out of where I stay, and two, I might be going to a Christmas party with my colleagues at Solo. And three, I am not only moving out, I am moving out and I'm taking my things to the Eastern Cape home, and I am moving into Katlehong, like East Rand area. And I don't know, I lost count. I am I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this journey with me and just learn a bit more about my culture as a Xhosa woman and how we do things. Even though I'm Xhosa woman, the Xhosa culture is different from household to household. So I'll show you guys how we do things from my side and my perspective and my view. So yeah, this is what the vlog is gonna be mostly about moving and preparing. So, yeah, come along with me. So today I am actually going to town with my aunt, because you guys know Joburg gives me so much anxiety. So I'm going to town with my aunt, and we're just gonna go and buy a few things. Like, I'm thinking we're buying curtains and curtain rails today, and then yeah, I'll have to do other things some other time, because other things I'll probably do them in Eastern Cape. So yeah, I don't know, but we'll see. So come along with me as we prepare. So excited. So this is something I really wanted to celebrate with my friends and my family, but because I work in retail, I don't really have enough time. I just have the weekend of the 18, 19, and on the 20th exactly I am coming back, because I am working the 22nd. So I need to get here the 21st and then just rest and then go to work the 23rd. So that's what we're gonna do. So come along with me and enjoy this ride. It's gonna be a smooth one, I pray. I'm really grateful for this moment. Like, it's something that I've wanted for a while. It's something I've been yearning for such a long time, and it's finally happening. It's finally here, which is such a big, and I'm grateful for. It's such a big move, and I'm really grateful for. So excuse me. So yeah, I am really happy, you guys. Like, I am happy, and I can't wait to see this as it unfolds, of course, with you along. So yeah, let's do that. So apparently I have a delivery downstairs, so that's what I'm gonna go and grab. This is not it. This is a present for someone else. It's someone really special's birthday on Monday, and today is Saturday. So this is the gift, and I'm seeing this person this Saturday afternoon. So I'll just give them their gift, and let's just go downstairs to see what's the delivery that I have. So okay, I just came back from downstairs to grab this package. It says Waybill Cantu. So let's see, what did Cantu send me? It's Cantu. Oh my goodness, what did they send me this time? Congratulations, you are part of the top 200. Oh my goodness, I am part of the top 200 with complimentary Cantu shea butter. Okay, alrighty. I am part of 200. Oh my goodness. A deep treatment hair mask, and I just bought this. I literally just bought this. Oh my goodness. And I also have a strong glow treatment. Okay, all right, thank you. Oh, I am part of the 200. I'm so excited for that. Actually, this is the one that I bought at this game, and this is the one I just received now. Damn, had I known, I would have just grabbed the curling cream, because I don't have a curling cream. But okay, Cantu, I didn't expect this. When they told me I have a delivery downstairs, I was like, what do you mean? I didn't order anything. I don't remember processing any payments, like, but okay. So these are the products that I received. It's the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, Repair Cream, and then I received the Cantu Shea Butter Strong Grow Strengthening Treatment. So this is for strands, fragile strands, protects from heat damage. And then I have the mask, the deep treatment hair mask, which is made with shea butter. Intense conditioning treatment helps restores and strengthen dried damaged hair while boosting moisture retention, which is something that I do struggle a little bit with, moisture retention. So this is going to be so grand once I take off my braids. Oh wow, I did not expect that, but I'm so happy. Okay, so I am back from, we went to, what is it, we went to Musa Retail and Hardware in Joburg, and then we didn't go to Orientania Plaza, and we didn't go to China Mall. We were thinking about going there, but we didn't. We ended up going to Joburg, and we find this shop that we can get curtains for a cheaper price. So we got only one because the other two we are gonna get them month end. So well, my aunt is gonna get them for me, and a few other things like pillows. For Eastern Cape I do have pillows, but they're like 2 pillows, so we're gonna need more than that. So that's what we did, and now I just want to show you guys what I got. So I am really getting ready. This is my bed. I'm gonna wash this, and then I'm gonna keep the other one there, and I'll wash it some other time because I'm gonna take it somewhere where they have a washing machine to do it. And then I have, it's starting to rain, so I have a bubble wrap here for the dishes. I'm still gonna go get a bubble wrap at Westpac for the fridge, the TV, and maybe a few other things. I have boxes there. Those are boxes that I'm gonna put the dishes and all the small things in there. And then so this is what we got. I'm just gonna put you guys here. Besides that which is to tie the curtain, you know. So that's that. And we have the curtain that I got. It's so heavy. It's gonna look so good in Eastern Cape. Like, I'm not even worried. It's gonna look really, really good. And I'll probably go back to get the curtains for this is gonna be the dining area one, or the sitting area, the lounge one. And then I am gonna go back and get maybe 3 more curtains for the rooms. So it's a very big curtain. It's very nice, and the length as well is great. So yeah, this is in town. I went in town, which is a good idea for me to go in town, because also what I like, it comes with this thing lining under it. So when you tie that, but with that black tie thing, this is what's gonna be showing. So it's a really nice curtain. I like the details in there, and I like the color for Eastern Cape because so honestly, who's gonna want a white curtain or whatever? So yeah, that's what I got. Reasonable price. So gonna get 2 curtains for the kitchen, and then maybe I'll go in maybe next year for the other 2 curtains. And yeah, it's probably an addiction right now, but just in case you wanna surprise me with something, please get me charms, gibbles they are called. So let's go. So I went for my 2nd vaccine, and my arm feels so painful. Like, yeah, I don't know, but it feels so painful. I think it's only settling now. So I'm now a girl that's fully vaccinated. So this is my place right now, and that is boxes that I'm gonna use, and I have bubble wrap somewhere here and boxes and stuff, so it's pretty much a mess. And this is because I am packing. I'm gonna, so what's happening is I am taking everything and I am going to the Eastern Cape. So as I was saying, I am taking everything and everything is going home to the Eastern Cape until I can build a house in the Eastern Cape. But they're gonna be at my brother's place, and they're just gonna keep them there, like my fridge, my cupboard. I'll show you guys now. So yeah, I'm just putting everything into the Eastern Cape and ready for the new chapter in my life, which is exciting and a little bit of fear, just for being realistic, you know. So I'm really, for the most part, I'm really happy. I'm really excited. Like, I cannot wait. So yeah, let's do this. Let's pack and do everything. All right. Hi loves, so this is many days ago. I mean later, so I'm just waiting for the transport that's gonna take my goodies to the Eastern Cape, and yeah, and then I have to go to work. So today is the 15th of December 2021, and the person that's taking my stuff is coming through with some other guys to take their stuff, and I'm just waiting. Let me show you how it looks like now, and then I will show you guys how it looks like when everything is packed and out of here. I'm going to work, so these are my work clothes that I'm going to wear. The TV is down. I have the TV here. I'm thinking of wrapping the TV with the blankets and then wrapping it with the wrapping paper that's coming. And obviously the couch is not mine, it's staying here. And that's the bed. That's everything that's going. Yeah, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's the progress that I am on. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to call them and ask them where they are. My plants, they're still here, they're still surviving. I will take them with me to my aunt's place because I'm gonna be crashing at my aunt's place. Yeah, that's their progress. I don't mind my lips. I do have a lip scrub, a homemade lip scrub on, so yeah, things are really starting to sink in. And yeah, I think I should just call them and then just ask them how far they are, because I don't want to be late at work as well. So yeah, see you later. Good morning, my loves. So today is the 16th of December. Happy Day of Reconciliation to the South Africans. So I just woke up. It's around 7, 7:15 or something. And today we get to do my hair, my nails, and go see the dress. So I will take you guys with me. I can't wait. And yeah, see you later in the day. Maybe when I'm doing my hair. I don't know which one I'm gonna start with. My hair or my nails. So yeah, let's do that. Hi loves, so I am now on my way to get my fiber to do my hair. I'm just coming back to collect my dress, which I am really happy for, and I will probably put all her details. I have to ask her first, and I'll put all her details in the description box if she gives me permission to do the Hi loves, so this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. I just realized that I was just busy editing the video, and then I just realized that I didn't do an outro. So this is my outro. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and subscribe. Of course, like, subscribe. It is really free, and I will really appreciate it. So I want you guys to guess what is number 4 on this video. What is the one thing that I'm gonna do in number 4? So yeah, thank you so much, my loves. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video.